Household products may go wrong sometimes, especially when you need them the most. Then out of no choice, you call the technician or rush to the service center. But do you know that some problems can be solved by you easily at home? The mixer grinders make cooking simple as well as a fun-filled activity without tiring you. One of the best mixer grinders around, the Bajaj mixer grinder blends everything in a jiffy, and that too in just the right way. These multi-purpose mixer grinders can be used to grind spices, pastes, as well as cake batter. However, sometimes the mixer grinder might not grind or blend properly. This may be due to wrong selection of jars. Don't worry, you can solve this problem easily at home. Just make sure to select the suitable dry or wet jar to get the desired perfection. Use only a grinder jar with grinding blades for grinding purpose. These simple steps can be followed for all Bajaj mixer grinders and few selective food processors as well. Hope this video helps.